Hi! Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. For today's video, Lisa buat makeup look ni. This is the makeup look that I did on Yuumi Kato, Miss Universe Japan 2018 on her appearance here in Malaysia for Borak Kopitiom TV3. So since we have like a short period of time to do her makeup, so I did this very simple look but still enhancing your beauty. So if you want to know how I did this look and you want to recreate it, just keep on watching. So sebelum kita makeup, you have to make sure that your skin really moisturized, really hydrated, cukup. Like you boleh rasa you punya skin macam tak moist, you boleh rasa you punya skin macam kering when you touch your skin, kan? So for me, my personal favorite, I have two. So for moisturizer, kalau dalam I punya kit, I punya makeup bag untuk I punya makeup client, I usually use this one, the True Island Alaska Glacier Water, because this one have a lighter formula. Dia macam gel light, so bila dia kena dekat you punya skin, you akan rasa sejuk. And then this one is really rich in hyaluronic acid. So for those who don't know, hyaluronic acid is a satu elemen yang akan attract moisture to your skin, and dia akan create this one like barrier of moisture layer dekat your skin, so your skin will be hydrated, moist all day long. So since this one dia lighter texture, dia adalah gel, so it suits like all skin tones compared to my personal favorite, which is the honey bee. This one is richer than True Island. So sometimes people yang ada macam like sensitive skin, they maybe akan react to the honey and bee venom content kat dalam ni. And then for those yang ada oily skin, this is may become too rich for you. Sebab you kalau oily skin, you pakai something yang rich in formula, rich in texture, dia akan jadi macam, you akan rasa like your skin lagi macam oily, lagi macam, you know, you boleh rasa lah macam melekit kan, something like that. So kalau dekat client, I usually pakai this one, True Island. But for today, I'm going to use my personal moisturizer. This one is my everyday moisturizer. So saya akan pakai this one, Honeybee Venom Multisolution Cream. This one is a Korean brand, True Island ni. Okay, the Korean brand. And then we know that Korean have like really good skin. They really take care of their skin. Macam they have like this known for their 13 steps of skincare routine. Okay, next I akan pakai like lip balm. This one is from Mungi Lips. Okay, dia ada mint sensations. Kita ada mint sikit. So sementara dia kita buat makeup all like face makeup everything. So this one dia akan macam prep your lips lah, kind of prep your lips. Okay, next I'm going to use pore filler punya primer. So Lisa akan pakai this one, Clean-slate, untuk fill in bahagian-bahagian yang ada open pores. Usually dekat area-area open pores ni lah yang akan oil. So okay, area-area yang lain bisa nak pakai my Tom Ford, walaupun I macam sayang I punya my Tom Ford ni, tapi kalau tak pakai macam rugi lah kan. So kita pakai sikit je, just dekat macam minyak tu je. I nak pakai just dekat tepi sebab I dah kacau tengah-tengah tu. Okay, just apply dekat area-area tepi ni. When you want that glow, you can see macam ada like glow. And then dia ada bau macam like spa punya bau tau. Okay. Foundation hari ni saya nak pakai NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So this one is in colour Punjab. So dia kata shake well, so you have to really shake betul-betul. Okay, macam tu. Balance. Banyak, okay, satu pump. Kalau NARS punya produk, they usually sell it macam, okay, you just need one pump. Sebab this one, Natural Radiant ni, dia punya coverage is quite boleh tahan tau coverage dia. You see, I punya pigmentation dia tak nampak. So, I suka shade glue. I nak belajar pakai ni because everyone is raving about this. Oh. Macam first time pakai kan. Sebab macam after you tak pakai, like macam yang you dah lama tak pakai, sometimes like bila you go back to the barang yang you pernah pakai dulu, macam sometimes macam not bad. So going to give this another try. Okay, mari kita tengok like macam dekat-dekat how it looks like. Okay, I bukan zoom in tapi I zoom in diri I. Can you see? Cantik kan? This looks so nice. Okay, kita go with the natural radiant theme today. Alang-alang. So I'm going to take this NARS, NARS creamy concealer, natural radiant creamy concealer. This one is in code Madeleine. So just pakai dekat sini sikit. And kita ada like darkness tu. To just blend bawah ni, balance bawah ni kat sini. Sebab Lisa ada macam naturally, Lisa punya mata ni memang ada like garis kat situ. So I learned that kalau kita pakai banyak sangat produk kat situ, dia akan lagi crease. For contour, Lisa nak pakai Tom Ford. Pakai Tom Ford sekarang ni. Dah beli, sudah beli, kita kena pakai. Kalau tak pakai rugi. Nanti kan kalau dia dah expired, tuno je. So dia punya colour macam like gitu je. So kalau korang contour kan, ada tak like one side yang macam dia akan nampak lagi lebih daripada yang sebelah. For me, sebab sini akan nampak lagi. Kalau I buat macam sub your cheek bone, I buat sini lebih dalam daripada sini macam tak dalam sangat. Dan setelah tu, kita memang macam tak sama kan? Standard lah kan? Kita nak set. So, Lisa pakai this one. Chanel powder. Daripada Chanel powder code number 10. So, untuk Yuumi, Lisa pakaikan blusher yang macam peachy-peachy sikit tu. Mix dengan dua blusher. Lisa pakai this one. Urban Decay Fetish, and then mix dengan peaches daripada MAC. So peaches MAC ni saya pakai dekat belakang sikit, macam tu. Ambil colour Fetish, this one on the other side of the brush. Okay, this one powder sikit, so just dekat depan. I suka mix. I suka mix colour. I suka mix lashes. I suka mix lipstick. So kita start dengan eyeshadow. Saya pakai this one, Urban Decay Primer Potion. This one is in code Eden. So just letak sikit and cepat-cepat blend. Sebab dia macam cepat set. Eyeshadow hari tu sebab because we have like limited time of masa nak buat makeup. So apa yang I buat, kalau I macam tak cukup masa, I akan pakai satu, paling banyak dua colour. Satu dekat crease, satu dekat ni. And I sekarang ni macam suka gila pakai this one. So this one is in code Sakura Falling. Cyber Colors Blossom Marble Creamy Eyepot in 01 Sakura Falling. So you boleh cari dekat Watson atau dekat Sasa. Okay, any shop yang carry cyber colours. Macam warm, apa tak? Brown, tapi dia ada macam glitter pink. So benda ni bila dia kena dekat lampu, dia akan macam glitter dia tak besar-besar. Glitter dia macam like very halus-halus macam tu. So just ambil dekat brush and just blend all over your eyes. Dia macam, dia tak terlalu pigmented. Biasalah Korean, Japan kan macam tak berapa pigmented sangat dia punya tu, tapi it gives you like a nice, macam nice all over the eyelid punya warna. Tak tu warna dia macam like soft je. Macam tu sebab I nak cepat. Bila I nak cepat, I akan okay, what? One colour enough. Dekat bawah pun just ambil the same colour. Satu warna pun dah cukup. This one. So you just blend everything. Macam tu. See like macam soft je warna dia kan. Okay, if you rasa this eye look macam eyeshadow ni terlalu cool tone, you boleh ambil colour-colour macam Ferrarossa, Gula Melaka ni sebab dia colour dia warm tapi dia tak terlalu orangey. So just ambil and nak warmkan sikit je dekat crease you. Macam tu. And untuk Yuumi last time, Halisa pakai this one, Charlotte Tilbury, just dekat macam kat corner depan ni sebab bila dia senyum macam dia akan ada naik macam cium kat situ. So macam I suka tambah kalau you ada, dia panggil apa tu you ada yang bag macam comel tu kan, sebab macam bila dia senyum dia akan macam nampak bright cing 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 macam tu. So for highlight, saya akan pakai this one, Bobbi Brown Pink Glow. So every time I buat macam like photoshoot, makeup or like TV makeup, I usually pakai like highlight yang macam not too glittery, yang macam soft je. Sebab this one dia akan just bagi like macam basah-basah punya effect. Dia bukan bagi like macam some highlight ni macam glitter dia tu macam kuat kan, but this one dia tak, dia macam like very subtle punya highlight. So dia tak reflect light yang macam obvious sangat sampai you nampak you punya skin macam oily. So this one I suka pakai dekat inner corner juga. Just ambil like macam dia dark punya side colour tu, sebab yang putih tu macam like too bright. So just letak sikit kat situ and just like you will brighten up your macam eyes tu. So bila dia senyum macam cing, feeling ala-ala Korea gitu. Okay, so basically this is dia punya skin, eyes. So let's move to lips. So lips hari tu I think I pakai my favourite. I pakai Bombshell, Huda Beauty. I suka buat, I akan ambil ni, this one Dark Cosmetic Warm Emily ni. Just pakai like macam kat tepi-tepi je, mixkan sikit. So this is the final look that I did on Yuumi Kato Miss Universe Japan 2018 for her Borak Kopitiom TV appearance. So if you like this kind of makeup look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell, ting 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 ting, so you know when I uploaded my video. So Lisa akan cuba sedaya upaya untuk upload video at least 2 to 3 times a week. And then yeah, just don't forget to subscribe. And if you like my video, just thumbs up. And if you want to spread the love, just share it on your social media platform. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.